Stay warm and enjoy your outdoor space year-round with the best patio heaters. From sleek electric models to powerful propane options, these heaters combine style, safety, and efficiency to keep your patio cozy no matter the weather. Starting at number 1, Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Patio Heater. The Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Patio Heater in Havana Bronze brings cozy warmth to any outdoor space, making it ideal for home patios, cafes, or restaurants. It delivers powerful heat to cover up to an 18-foot diameter and features an adjustable temperature knob for precise control. Designed for convenience, it has a one-touch ignition button and built-in wheels for easy mobility. Safety is built in with a tilt safety auto shutoff valve, a chain to secure the propane tank, and a water box at the base for stability. Its durable powder-coated finish ensures long-lasting strength, and it operates with a standard 20-gallon propane tank not included. Number 2. Sunjoy 47,000 BTU Propane Heater. The Sunjoy 47,000 BTU Avanti Outdoor Portable Propane Heater delivers generous warmth for patios, gardens, or outdoor seating areas, making chilly evenings comfortable and cozy. It features a simple push-button ignition and a variable heat control knob for easy operation, while built-in wheels let you move the heater wherever heat is needed. With a safety auto shut-off tilt valve, the heater automatically turns off if it is accidentally tipped over, adding peace of mind during use. Its durable powder-coated steel frame and generous 47,000 BTU output ensure effective heating in outdoor spaces, and it runs on a standard 20-gallon propane tank, not included. Number 3. Pamapic Patio Heater. The Pamapic 42,000 BTU Patio Heater is a tall, pyramid-style propane outdoor heater designed to warm patios, gardens, decks, and other outdoor spaces with a steady 42,000 BTU output that helps create a cozy atmosphere in cooler weather. It features a striking quartz glass flame tube that not only provides radiant heat, but also adds an eye-catching focal point to your outdoor area. Built-in safety protections include a tip-over shutoff system that automatically cuts gas if the unit tips, giving added peace of mind, and a variable heat control lets you adjust warmth to suit your comfort level. The heater includes a durable, weather-resistant cover to protect it when not in use and offers easy access to the propane tank, standard 20-gallon tank not included. Number 4. Pamapic 41,000 BTU Patio Heater. The Pamapic 41,000 BTU propane patio heater in ink delivers efficient outdoor warmth with a powerful flame and clean, smokeless operation, making it a great choice for patios, balconies, gardens, or backyard gatherings. It's crafted with premium rust-resistant stainless steel and tempered glass for durability and style, and it includes a waterproof dust cover to protect the unit when not in use. 4 smooth rolling wheels, 2 of which lock for stability, plus adjustable feet make it easy to reposition and secure the heater on uneven surfaces. Safety features like CSA certification and an automatic shutoff if tipped add peace of mind, while built-in heat reflectors spread warmth evenly around your outdoor space. Simple to start and adjust with a control knob and push ignition, this heater runs on a standard 20-gallon propane tank, not included, and helps you extend your outdoor season comfortably. Number 5. Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. The Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater is a compact yet powerful outdoor propane heater that provides up to 11,000 BTUs of heat to keep your patio, deck, or outdoor dining space warm and inviting, covering roughly 30 square feet of area. It's designed for convenience and portability with a lightweight tabletop form that makes it easy to place wherever you need heat. Built-in safety features like an anti-tilt automatic shutoff switch and a burner screen guard help ensure safer use, while the rotary dial heat control lets you adjust the warmth to your comfort level. The heater works with a small 1 lb propane tank, not included, and can also be adapted to a larger 20 gallon tank with an optional hose and regulator for extended use.